A buffer overflow occurs when a program or process tries to store more data in a buffer, temporary data storage area, than it was intended to hold. Since buffers are created to contain a finite amount of data, the extra information, which has to go somewhere, can overflow into adjacent buffers, corrupting or overwriting the valid data held in them. A race condition, also called time of check to time of use attacks, exploits the small window of time between a security control being applied and when the service is used, and take advantage of the need that computing systems must execute some tasks in a specific sequence. In any such sequence, there is a small period of time when the system has carried out the first task but not started on the second. If this period is long enough, or the attacker is lucky and knowledgeable, a race condition vulnerability exists, where the attacker can trick the system into carrying out unauthorized actions in addition to its normal processes. Error handling flaws occur when an error message that's displayed to an end user provides clues about how an application or website operates and gives the potential attacker very useful information to conduct an attack. Although messages like this can help developers fix problems on their sites, they also show attackers information that they can use to help them break into what should be secured areas. For example, an error message that includes information on the structure of a SQL database table may give attackers everything they need to know in order to carry out a successful SQL injection attack. Improper input handling is the term used to describe functions such as validation, sanitization, filtering, or encoding and/or decoding of input data. The root cause of improper input handling is the application trusting rather than validating data inputs. For proper validation, it is essential to identify the form and type of data acceptable and expected by the application and defining restrictions and avoid improper input handling attacks accurately.